Chapter 3, Lesson 2 of Advanced Algebra. We're working on substitution, and I wanted to make a quick video to kind of describe how to present your answer when the variables are not x and y. We know our answer needs to be in an ordered pair x, y. However, what if the variables are not x, y? Then how do we know which one goes first and which one goes second? And generally speaking, we would put those in alphabetical order, but that's not necessarily what has to happen. And so what you have to do is define how you're going to represent the ordered pair. So before or at the end or whatever, you're going to need to say, okay, when I present my answer, you have to give the order that you're going to give the variables. So in this case, we're dealing with P and Q. So you'll need to write P, Q, and then write your ordered pair answer here. Okay, that way you let the person know P is first, Q is second. So if the variables are not given to you, or if the variables are not x and y, excuse me, and you're going to put the variables in an ordered pair, you need to first write an ordered pair with the variables that are involved so that the person knows when they're looking at the ordered pairs of numbers, they know which number represents P and which number represents Q. So a little conventional thing there, so make sure you do that when you have the situation. Alright, so I'll do this one real quick if you want to watch. If not, you can skip the rest of the video. But we're going to use substitution. It's already solved for Q, so I'm going to go ahead and put in 2P plus 1 for every Q value. And then we can simplify this. So this is 4P equals, nope, not equals, that's a plus. Okay, so 4P plus, and we distribute that. 2 to the 2P, we distribute that as 8. So then we've got 8P is equal to, let's see, 2 minus 8 is 6. So P is going to be 6 over 8, which reduces to 3/4. So P would be 3/4. Just checking my answer like you're supposed to do in your answer book. So P is 3/4. So then I need to figure out Q, so I'll substitute in 3/4 for P. So this is going to be 2 times then 3/4 plus 1. This is going to reduce with this, making this 3/2 plus 1. So that's 1 1/2 plus 1. So that's going to be, let's move this up a little bit. So let's see, so this is 3/2 then plus 2/2, which is 5/2. So Q is going to be 5/2. So then I go ahead and put in my 5/2 here. So make sure you label what's P and what's Q, or if your variables are not X, Y, that you make sure you label which one is going to be first and which one is going to be second.